ako ng banana split with fruit cocktail and the graham cake, chocolate syrup, desiccated coconut, raisins, and the cookies and cream ice. Guys, good morning, good afternoon sa lahat dyan, sa lahat ng Filipinos dyan all over the world, kung saan ka mang lupalop ng mundo today. So it's Daddy Will again. Ang init ngayon dito sa Canada, especially sa Calgary, grabe. For the very first time guys, in my 12 years here in Canada. Okay, samahan niyo ako, gagawa ko ng very simple na banana split dahil sobrang init sa panahon. Tara, let's go! Intro! Okay guys, gagawa tayo ngayon ng banana split, no? So, meron akong dalawang overripe banana, so gagawin natin siyang banana split with fruit cocktail, no? So, ito lang yung ginagawa ko guys. So, para maging banana split siya, i-split natin. I-split natin, no? Overripe banana siya. So, sayang kasi kung itapon. So, gagawin na lang natin siyang tapos lagyan ko siya ng mga ganyan. It's up to you guys kung paano kayo mag-decorate sa kayong kung paano niyo gawing yan. Ito lang. Yan. So, it's up to you guys kung paano nyo. Yan. Then, after that, yan. Ito yung basic mo ng banana. Using cookies and cream I'm using cookies and cream ice cream. Ito lang kasi yung natirang ice cream ko sa fridge. Okay. Lagay mo siya dyan. Yan, lagyan mo lang siya. Yan. Or you can put one more here. Yan. Right? Then, so, banana, ice cream, and then, lagyan mo siya ng fruit cocktail. Yeah, lagyan mo siya ng ganyan. Yung fruit cocktail, ilagay mo siya dyan. Yan. Lagyan ito siya ng cherry. Okay. Okay. Lagyan mo siya ng fruit cocktail. Yan guys. Garnish lang siya. And then, lagyan mo siya ng raisins, no? Lagyan mo siya ng raisins. Yan, para maganda tingnan. Lagyan mo siya ng raisins. Kahit anong gusto mong ilagay, guys, pwede siya. Yan. Lagyan mo siya ng raisins. Yan. And then, after the raisins, pwede mo rin siyang, lagyan ko rin siya ng desiccated ito to siya, desiccated sweetened desiccated coconut. So yun ang ilagay ko. Yan. Sweetened desiccated coconut. Okay, yan. Wow. And then okay, lagyan ko siya ng chocolate syrup. Chocolate syrup. Yan. Chocolate syrup. And meron kasi akong sa fridge, what we call this one, the graham cake, no? Lagyan ko siya ng graham cake. Oh, wait. Lagyan ko siya ng graham cake. Lagyan ko siya ng graham cake. Diyan. Overload. Yan. Guys. Okay. That's it. Tapos na. Guys, so ito na yung banana split ko with fruit cocktail and the graham cake and that. Okay. And time to eat. Okay, guys. Maraming salamat at sana nagustuhan niyo yung video ko. Sana suportahan niyo yung videos ko every time na meron akong i-upload. At please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, DADDYWIL Lifestyle Vlogs. See you next video, guys. Bye for now.